Hey Beauty Smarties, it's Maria and I have a confession. I love all things sparkly and glittery. So when thinking about what hairstyle to do next, I thought what better idea than to come up with an over-the-top, super fun glitter root holographic hairstyle. I know that sounds like a mouthful, but it's gonna be super awesome. I can't wait to show you guys the finished results. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by clicking that red subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the holo glittery fun. For the holographic hairstyle, we're basically gonna braid our hair into 2 half-up buns. All you'll need is a comb, bobby pins, and hair ties. First, comb out any knots in your hair and part your hair down the middle. Now we can section off the top half of the hair. Since we don't want our sections getting mixed, you can secure the bottom half with a hair tie for now. Now you can braid your hair on each side. This will help your hairstyle look a little bit more interesting. If you're still practicing your braids, make sure to check out my video on braiding. Once you've completed both sides, you can finish off by swirling the loose hair into small, messy buns. You can fluff them out a little by lightly tugging at the hair. Holographic hair calls for some cool shine and interesting color. You'll need hair chalk, some holographic hair foam, I use the IGK Foamo, and a curling wand. These steps can get a little messy, which is why I like to do them all together. First, piece off small sections of hair and spritz them thoroughly with hairspray. Once the hairspray has dried, run the chalk through the strand by pressing firmly against it. I chose this blue hair chalk because it shows up really nice, especially if you have dark hair like me. Repeat these steps until you've added as much color as you want it to your hair. Now you look like a rock star. Next, it's time for some sparkly hair magic. I'm using this IGK hair foam in the shade Meteor. Squeeze out a palmful of the product into your hands. Start by pressing it into the top half of your hair. This foam will really show up on hair that is gathered, so you can really go all out here. You can also run some of the product through the loose ends of your hair. Once everything is looking super glitz and glam, I like to add more fun by adding loose curls with a curling wand and just spraying everything into place with some hairspray. So guys, this is my favorite part of this whole tutorial. Glitter roots. These are super easy to do. To make the glitter gel of your dreams, you'll need some loose glitter with colors of your choice, some hair gel, a small bowl for mixing, and a flat foundation brush for application. The base of this glitter recipe is going to be holographic glitter, and since we're using a lot of blue hues throughout the hair, I'm going to add some blue and purple. You can totally add more colors if you want to live out your true rainbow fantasies. Now squeeze out enough hair gel to mix the glitter together thoroughly. With a brush, you can go ahead and blend all these magical ingredients together. Once you're happy with the mix, brush it in little by little to your roots. This is your hair, so you have total creative freedom to put in as little or as much as you want. Now that you got your glitter roots in place, we're going to take it one step further and add some DIY holo hair. For your DIY holo extensions, you'll need some holographic ribbon, scissors, a marker or pen, a hot glue gun, and extension clips. While your hot glue is warming up, take your holo ribbon and measure out a piece that is roughly the length of your hair. Mark that point with a black marker or pen. A hack to make multiple strands at once is to loop the streamer at that length a couple times and just snip the ends. Repeat this step a couple of times until you have the desired amount of holo streamers you want to add to your hair. To make the streamers more hair-like, you can cut them down the middle with some scissors. Next, hot glue the strands one by one to the outside of your wig clip until the entire edge is covered. For extra security so that they don't budge, you'll want to add an extra layer of hot glue. And that's it! Just clip them into any areas that can use some holographic magic. Okay, this is what I call statement hair. I would totally wear this to maybe a music festival or National Holographic Day, if there was such a thing, which I honestly hope there is. And if you enjoyed this out-of-the-box tutorial, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to 17's YouTube channel by pressing that red button down below. And I'll see you guys on the next one.